What is up, YouTube? It's Tom from Tech Time, and today I got a video on a quick charger for the LG G7. This is not just a typical quick charger. This is actually from the company Razer, and it's specifically made for their Razer phone, but it does work with the LG G7. There's very few smartphones on the market today that are quick charge 4.0 ready, and unfortunately LG did not market this phone right here as being quick charge 4.0 enabled or available, anything like that. Even on their website it has it listed as quick charge 3.0, but it has been named and said in multiple reports that it is quick charge 4.0. For some reason they dropped the ball on marketing. That would have been a big marketing ploy for me to say that you get better charging in this phone. For some reason they didn't go with that. They even, in their box, included just a regular quick charge 3.0 charger. I don't know how they dropped the ball on that, what happened, but whatever. So we have a quick charge 4.0 cell phone, and you don't have a charger, so you need to pick one up. That's where this baby comes into play. This is the Razer quick charger. This is for the Razer phone, and the Razer phone is one of the few phones that is quick charge 4.0 enabled. So you can use it on the Razer phone, and then there's a ZTE Nubia Z17 or something like that. So there's very few phones out there that can actually use quick charge 4.0. And the Razer phone and the ZTE actually use quick charge 4 Plus, which is something a little bit better than quick charge 4.0. It comes with, dual charging, where it splits the two power sources and makes it for, more efficient charging, stuff like that. But that's neither here nor there. That's not what we're doing right now. We're just doing quick charge 4.0. This is for the G7 in particular. But you can use this, like I said, on other products. And you can also use this backwards compatible. This will pick up, any of your old smartphones and be able to charge them at the rate that they should be charging. So that's pretty cool. This charger on the G7 will give you 50% in just 50 minutes. Now that's pretty incredible. There's other companies out there like OnePlus that do their version of the Dash Charge. That's their quick charge version, their own proprietary stuff that they use, and that's one of the fastest chargers on the market. But this one right here, 50% in 15 minutes, is pretty incredible. So you're going to definitely have to pick this up if you're trying to get the quick charge feature. The LG G7 has decent battery, but it's not the best. So you're going to want to be able to top that off real quick, and to get 50% in 15 minutes is pretty incredible. So let's take a look at Qualcomm's actual device list. Let's see if we can get that zoomed in. So they have these other devices. I've never heard of those other devices, but there you go. You got the Nubia Z17, the LG G7 ThinQ, and then the Razer phone. And then actually you got the Xiaomi Mi 8 and the Mi 8 Explorer Edition. So those phones are all listed on the Quick Charge 4 and 4 Plus. Like I said, this is just regular 4.0, and then the 4 Plus you can use on the Razer phone and stuff like that. So let's open this baby up. And I've got my knife with me. We'll just rip it open real quick. There we go. Some cellophane around it. Most people, when they hear the Razer name, they think of computers, mouse, and keyboards. But Razer makes a cell phone now, and now they have their own cell phone charger. So there it is. Really nice looking. Razer logo on it. Nice hefty brick. USB Type-C. So that's another thing. You're going to need a USB Type-C to Type-C cable to charge this. Does not come with this, so you're going to have to pick that up on your own. And they don't even have like a Razer branded one that I could find, so you're just going to have to pick one up. USB Type-C to Type-C. And that's what's going to get you quick charging. This is $25 on Amazon. It's definitely worth the pickup. I have another one that I've been using, and I haven't exactly timed it, but I've definitely been getting close to half the battery life from almost nothing. I actually had it dead once, and I took a quick shower, came out, and I had 54% or something like that. So it definitely works super fast. I would definitely pick it up. It's worth it to me for 25 bucks to get it. LG dropped the ball on this one. They should have made it, fully equipped with a charger, their own branded charger, because there's very, very few chargers that you can find out there. This is the only one that I was able to track down and actually bring in, but I guess there are one or two maybe other ones out there. For some reason, Anchor and Aukey and a lot of these other companies haven't picked up on the Quick Charge 4.0 and the 4 Plus yet for some reason. But I'm sure as more smartphones come equipped with it, like a Samsung or a bigger name, they'll probably stop pushing out more products. But until then, you pick up the Razer, you're good to go. I haven't seen any car charging ones yet, but like I said, that will probably be coming in the near future. But definitely check this out. 25 bucks. I'll leave the link down in the description for Amazon if you guys want to pick it up. If you have any more questions, let me know down in the comments below. And I also want to know, did anybody even know that this LG G7 came Quick Charge 4.0 from Qualcomm Quick Charger? I don't know. I didn't know it. It was news to my ears when I found out, and that's when I went and picked up this charger so I could top it off super fast and keep it moving. With these battery life nowadays on these phones isn't the best because they're super thin, so you want to be able to keep your day going, and this is definitely a great way to do it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more things just like this, tech related, smartphones, product reviews, and much more. If you guys haven't subscribed already and this is content that appeals to you, definitely hit that subscription button and let's keep it moving. Catch you guys next time. Peace.